vibrations rise through the old structure, jumping from bar to bar like liquid memory. The blue runs through the steel like a warning. The viaduct preserved everything we tried to forget. Where the blue echoes emerge from the viaduct, the truth returns, sharp and silent. Each broken frequency reveals what we hide behind stubborn words. The blue light paints our past on a map that time has not erased. Under the viaduct where we swore forever, I feel everything the fate denied me. The echo travels along the subway tracks like a deep whisper coming from the machines. It reflects off cars, antennas, windows, as if the whole world were repeating our history. The blue spreads through the puddles on the street, creating shadows of her that I've never seen. These are silhouettes that the viaduct creates, with memories that we refuse to let go of. The blue glow grows intense, continuous, transforming silence into confession. The viaduct's old and rusty. It seems to translate what I keep in my heart. Where the blue echoes emerge from the viaduct, I'm stuck between what we were and what's left. The metal structure speaks for itself, even more than time has erased. Broken frequencies align, creating melodies that take you away. Under the viaduct that never forgets, I feel what I couldn't express. Blue light explodes through the beams like an electric heart beating freely. The walls begin to project memories, moments that attempt to survive the theft of time. The echo of forever lingers in the air, fragmented, pulsating, breathing. These are versions of knots made of blue light. They're all calling at the same time. The phenomenon is starting to decrease. slowly, but a ray of light still runs along the beam, as if the viaduct held just for me the last promise we made there. Across the city, like lines that nobody understands. But when I pass by them, I see the reflection of everything we never said. Light bends on the metal walls, creating gentle waves that breathe. Images emerge like memories trying to reconnect. Our footsteps echo on the chrome surface, even years after we escape. A pulsating glow cuts through the concrete, remembering what we never got around to calling. Travel through suspended wires. They travel in the broken holograms of the street. Each vibration tries to say silently everything I never said when I was yours. In the echoes of light that we never named, a feeling arises, trapped in the air. On rearranging memories, creating images of what could have been. The brightness grows like a whisper, converting silence into emotional vibration. And projects back everything trees as if they were trying to break our feather. I see fragments of your gaze multiplied in respiratory reflexes. There are thousands of possible versions from the moment we never had ahead of us. The phenomenon is beginning to fade. Reflexes start to slow down, but before the last wave disappears, I can hear your voice without any distortion. A short, complete, pure sentence pronounced by the light shining in my direction. It's everything that none of us had the courage to do, to name back then. In the echoes of the light that we never named, I understand that there is something that endures, even without a name, without phone, without time. Truth finds its frame. The light exposes our scars, but also what still pulsates. And even when the shine fades, her memory continues to haunt me. almost drops, but its echo, I'm still attracted to her. If dawn holds the last song, I'll be there to listen to your heart. travels along the subway tracks like a deep whisper coming from the machines. It reflects off cars, antennas, windows, as if the whole world I'm stuck between what we were and what's left. The metal structure speaks for itself, even more than time has erased. Broken frequencies align, creating melodies that take you away. Under the viaduct that never forgets, I feel what I couldn't express. Blue light explodes through the beams like an electric heart beating freely. The walls begin to project memories, moments that attempt to survive the theft of time. The echo of forever lingers in the air, fragmented, pulsating, breathing. These are versions of knots made of blue light. They're all calling at the same time. The phenomenon is starting to decrease, and the blue becomes a deep breath. The echo of the promise loses its power in the stillness, as if the city breathed for the world. But before the shine fades completely, I hear our final sentence in its entirety. Not distorted, not broken, not distant, only true. Like that true night where the blue echoes emerge from the viaduct. I understand what I never wanted to accept. Time can be cruel and harsh, but certain promises continue to resonate. Beams of light that cross the city like lines that nobody understands. But when I pass by them, I see the reflection of everything we never said. Light bends on the metal walls, creating gentle waves that breathe in the air. And within them, brief images emerge like memories, trying to reconnect. Our footsteps echo on the chrome surface, even years after we escape. A pulsating glow cuts through the said when I was yours, and the echoes of light that we never named. A feeling rises, trapped in the air. We hide returns and fragments, trying to remind us. Light reveals our truths, even the ones I tried to deny. Under the light that reveals the unspeakable, I realize what I still wanna keep. The lights reflect shadows that are not mine. They neither belong to the city nor to the present. They are shadows of her projected through time, as if he were still walking beside me. Even though nothing we experienced was allowed, neither clearly stated nor clearly concluded. But the light insists on rearranging memories, creating images of what could have been. The brightness grows like a whisper, converting silence into emotional vibration. The light reads my fears, my shortcomings, and projects back everything that is essential. In the echoes of light that we never name, I find myself trapped by what remains. The entire city seems to be translating that which the heart did not utter. Frequencies align, old and new, creating a melody that guides you under the light that never forgets. I feel what I couldn't say. Every surface projects memories, as if they were trying to break our feathers. I see fragments of your gaze, multiplied in respiratory reflexes. There are thousands of possible versions from the moment we never had ahead of us. A short, complete, pure sentence pronounced by the light shining in my direction. It's everything that none of us had the courage to do, to name back then. In the echoes of light that we never named, I understand that there is something that endures, even without a name, without form, without time. Truth finds its frame. The light exposes our scars, but also what still pulsates. And even when the shine fades, a memory continues to haunt me. The city returns to its usual greyness, but a line of light remains stuck in the street, as if the whole world were keeping in a single beam. That which we never had the courage to call by its name. Courage to call as you don't, cold and pulsate. The holograms tremble in the suspended air, as if the world breathed in her likeness. Broken lights trace your memory in a pattern that only I still recognize. Each blink revives our history. Each reflection binds me to what I cannot forget. The code vibrates hidden in the light, calling my name like before. In the electric silence that guides us back to the brilliant moments. And when the hologram pulses, I know it's the sign her heart left behind. On the border between night and law, from the dawn that never faded, I follow the rhythm that is yet to come. On the invisible side of our sound, the heartbeat that she keeps me trapped in the hologram of the first tone. The city awakens to distant echoes, but nothing speaks as loudly as this beat. It's her compass in vibrant lines, trying to cross over to another life. The brightness expands every minute, revealing a map I don't understand. Perhaps this is the last moment before the day erases what I'm seeing. If I can decipher the message